என்ன நாள் என்று அனைவரும் அறிவீர்களா? ஆம், இன்று குடியரசு தின விழா. நாம் ஏன் குடியரசு தின விழாவை கொண்டாடுகிறோம் தெரியுமா? இந்திய அரசியலமைப்பு நடைமுறைக்கு வந்த தேதியை மரியாதையாக அழைக்கும் வகையில் 1950 முதல் ஒவ்வொரு ஆண்டும் ஜனவரி 26ஆம் அன்று குடியரசு தின விழா கொண்டாடப்படுகிறது. ஜெய் ஹிந்த். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम अनन्या है। मैं ओलॉजी टेक अकेडमी में पढ़ती हूँ। 26 जनवरी को गणतंत्र दिवस मनाया जाता है। गणतंत्र दिवस का अर्थ है जनता द्वारा जनता का शासन। 26 जनवरी के दिन कोई त्योहार से कम नहीं है। 26 जनवरी 1950 हमारे देश की संविधान लागू हुआ था। भारत को स्वतंत्रता बहुत सारे लोगों के बलिदान के बाद मिला है। जय हिंद। धन्यवाद।
Good morning, everyone. My name is Hari. Today I am going to speak a few words about Republic Day. Republic Day is our national festival of India. On 26th January, we celebrate Republic Day. This year is 72nd year of Republic Day. In 1915, our constitution came into effect. A big parade is held in India Gate in New Delhi. We hoist the national flag and sing the national anthem. Republic Day makes us realize the importance of democracy. Thank you, everyone. Jai Hind.
On this Republic Day, let us remind ourselves to follow the law of the land. Thank you.
Good morning to respected principals, sir, ma'am and students. As we all know that we all celebrate Republic Day for our national. This is very special occasion day for all of us. Since 1950, we are celebrating Republic Day every year with lots of joy and happiness. We celebrate Republic Day on 26th January as the Indian Constitution come into force at this day in 1950. At Republic Day celebration, a big arrangement takes place by the government for India in New Delhi at Rajpath in front of India Gate. President of India hosts the national flag in Republic Day. Indian Army do Republic Day parade and take salute for national flag. There is also big parade for India culture and traditional takes place by different Indian states to show the unity in diversity in India. Happy Republic Day. Thank you.
Studying 3rd grade in Ology Tech School. Today I am going to say a few words about our national festival Republic Day. This day is celebrated January every year as our constitution came to being. On this day, it was written by Bharat very important part of our life. Republic Day celebrated with great hope and joy throughout India, just like other festivals. On this day, the ceremony of flag hoisting is done and national anthem is sung by everyone. Great India, great Indian leaders who took part in Indian freedom struggles are remembered. We must always took part such events and do something for the progress of our nation.
मेरा नाम कृतिक है। आज मैं आपको एक कविता सुनाने जा रहा हूँ। हम नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चे हैं, दांत हमारे कच्चे हैं, हम भी सरहद जाएंगे, सीने पे गोली खाएंगे, मर जाएंगे मिट जाएंगे, देश की शान बढ़ाएंगे, देश की शान बढ़ाएंगे। धन्यवाद।
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम समन्विता। कण कण में सोया शहीद, पत्थर पत्थर इतिहास है, सबको हृदयपूर्वक नमस्ते। वो वीर सैनिक का हाथ जो अपने सांस को बंद कर हमें सांस लेने दे रहे हैं। वो आंखों की आंसू का हाथ जो कठिनाई की पार कर बारिश बन बरस रहा है। किसने कहा कि सब वीर अमर हो चुके हैं? सब तो भारत माता को गोद में सो रहे हैं। भारत के आत्मविश्वास, वीर परिपूर्ण प्यार, लगन आदि को याद दिलाने वाला दिन आज 26 जनवरी का दिन है। रुको नहीं, डरो नहीं, बस आगे बढ़ते रहो, क्योंकि हम भारतीय हैं, कोई आओ नहीं। भारत माता की जय। धन्यवाद।
नमस्ते दोस्तों, नमस्ते गुरुजी। मेरा नाम संजना है। मैं 3rd स्टैंडर्ड में पढ़ रही हूँ। मेरी स्कूल का नाम ऑलरेडी टेक्स्ट स्कूल है। आज एक कविता बोलना चाहती हूँ। मैं मुस्लिम हूँ, तुम हिंदू हो, है दोनों इंसान। ला मैं तेरे गीत पढ़ूं, तू पढ़ लो। गणतंत्र दिवस के अवसर पे हरे मेरी बस एक ही आरमान, एक थाली में खाना खाए सारी हिंदुस्तान। जय हिंद, जय भारत। धन्यवाद।
21st Republic Day, I am going to talk about Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. He was born on 23rd January 1887 in Cuttack. His father, Janakinath Bose, was a well-known lawyer. Subhash, from his childhood, was filled with national feelings. After passing his BA examination, he was sent to England for ICS, Indian Civil Services. He was successful in this exam with credit, but he refused to be appointed a magistrate by the British rulers. So he came back for India and joined the struggle for the independence of India. He became the mayor of Calcutta and organized the youth of Bengal. Subhash Bose was sent to jail many times, but he never bowed down to British rulers. He did not agree with the peaceful programmers of the Indian National Congress under Mahatma Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru. He formed his own forward bloc. He was put under detention strict police and the CID guard was kept over him. Subhash escaped from India and reached Germany to Afghanistan and in a dress of a Pathan. From then he went to Japan and with Raj Behari Bose and formed the Azad Hindu Force. Subhash commanded this purely Indian army and sent out an appeal to the people of India to fight once and for all to make India free. Give me that, I'll give you freedom was his message. This Azad Hindu Force fought bravely against British but were defeated. Bose went in an aeroplane towards Japan but he disappeared on the way. No one knows about him, but it is said that his plane crashed at Taihoku. He was burned to death. As long as India is free, the people will remember Netaji's respect and for his courage. Thank you.
Good morning. As you know, today all of us are here to celebrate the 72nd Republic Day of our country today. Every year we celebrate Republic Day on 26th January because the Constitution of India came to force on this day in 1950. This day reminds us of our freedom struggle and how the great freedom fighters of our country sacrificed their lives to get us Purna Swaraj. It is because of their struggle that today we are living in a demonstrative country where each citizen has right to equality, freedom, explosion, religion, culture and education. Today is the day to reaffirm our commitment to unity in diversity. I would like to wind up my speech, followed by a moment of silence for the great leaders and freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives so that we can live in a democratical nation. Thank you. Jai Hind.
A very good morning and a happy Republic Day to all. I am Shashwat from grade 3. Today I am going to express my gratitude and love for my country and for my great freedom fighters and for my soldiers who gave up their lives for our nation. Through my speech, we all know that we got independence on August 15, 1947, but we became a republic country on January 26, 1950. This means our constitution came into existence. I would like to share about the importance of constitution and the great man who toiled and worked hard to prepare the constitution. The constitution tells the basic principles and laws of our nation and states. The constitution tells the power and duties of our government. Constitution guarantees several rights to the people. So the constitution is playing an important role by which we are living safe and a peaceful life in our country. When we talk about constitution, we must never forget the great leader who toiled and worked hard to prepare the constitution. He is none other than Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar, also known as Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. He was born on April 14, 1891. He was a social reformer and the first law minister of India. He won the Bharat Ratna Award. He dedicated his entire life to the freedom movement of India. So on this happy occasion, let us take a pledge that our independence is not for granted. Let us all join our hands to progress our India into a powerful nation. Thank you all for listening to my speech. Jai Hind.